In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Chrome 2024. We are going to keep this simple and easy to follow. If you want Chrome to look darker and easier on the eyes, or if you want to switch it back to the standard light appearance, the process is very quick. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the settings and customization options. Once Chrome is on your screen, look toward the top area of the browser window for the Customize Settings option. Click the Customize Settings option. After that, find the setting for dark mode. Depending on your Chrome version and device, this may appear as a theme or appearance option. From there, you can enable dark mode if you want Chrome to use a darker interface. If dark mode is already on and you want to return to the regular bright look, use the same setting and disable dark mode. Once you make the change, Chrome should update the appearance right away, so you can immediately see whether the browser is now in dark mode or light mode. If you do not see the change instantly, give Chrome a moment to refresh visually. In some cases, you may need to close and reopen the browser for the new appearance to display properly. Also keep in mind that Chrome can sometimes follow your system theme, so the browser appearance may be connected to your computer's light or dark setting. That covers everything you need to know.